Prepdoggers. Today we're going to work on some word problems. Oftentimes people get afraid of word problems. No need to be afraid. Just decipher what they're telling you, decipher what the numbers are, and you will be able to do your math problem. Let's take a look at how it works. In the word problem, you don't have any plus or minus signs. All right, they use words to tell you what to do. So you got to figure out what the words are. All right, pay attention to the words used in the story. Then you'll know whether they want you to add or subtract. Addition words look like this: sum, plus, altogether, total. If you see those words, you're probably going to do an addition problem. Subtraction words look like this: difference, minus, left, and remain. How many are left or how many are remaining? Those things there will tell you it's a subtraction word or problem. All right. You got to look for the words in the problems. What to look for. The numbers. How many of each are they talking about? And the process. Adding or subtracting. You're going to look for those words to try to figure it out. All right? We can't panic, though. Let's do one and see what happens. Alex has 2 cats. His sister has 3 cats. How many total cats do they have? So let's take a look. Their numbers are 2 cats and 3 cats. So we know those numbers. Now the next thing we have to do is figure out the process. What are they asking us to do? They ask us for a total. All right, total is an addition word. So we're going to add. So we have 2 cats plus 3 cats equal 5 cats. All right, not that tough. Let's try it again. Bobbie had 9 jacks. She lost 3 of them. How many jacks does Bobbie have left? Left is a subtraction word. So let's take a look. 9 jacks and 3 jacks are our numbers. There's our numbers. And left is what we have to do. That is a subtraction word. So we're going to subtract 9 minus 3. And we get 6. See? That's not that hard. Just do the process. You got to be careful. Sometimes they'll try to trip you up. But generally, if you just look for those words, you can probably figure it out. Let's try it again. Fred bought 6 more chickens for his farm. Now he has 10 chickens. How many chickens did he have before? All right, now let's take a look at that. It's not exactly like our others. He bought 6, right? So that means he added 6 more. So there's the process you're going to use, maybe. Okay, take a look. He now has 10 total chickens. So he's got 10 now after buying 6. So what do? Well, 6 plus something equals 10. But to find that something, you actually have to turn it around and do the subtraction. How many did he have before he bought the 6 new ones? So really what you have is 10 that he has now, the number of chickens he has now, 6, which is the number of chickens he bought. And remember, it's asking how many chickens did he have before. So what we really have is a subtraction. So don't get excited. You figured it out. You just go through the process. So he has 4, the number of chickens he had before. Be careful. Sometimes they'll throw a curveball at you, but I think you can handle it. Let's take a look at one more. Brad gave away 4 coats. He had 9 coats. How many coats does he have left? Left is a subtraction number. So let's go through the process. 4 coats and 9 coats. Those are our numbers. Left seems to be our process word. So let's take a look. Oops, that doesn't work, does it? All right, so you got to make sure you're paying attention. Really, left is subtraction, but you got to get your numbers in the right order. He has 9 coats. He gave away 4. So he has that. It's a reverse order subtraction. This one was what we were looking at, but then when we think about it, it's better if you do subtraction like that. Reverse order subtraction. Watch out for those. Don't panic. Just pay attention. All right. Pay attention to the wording. Don't rush into it. Know what they are asking you to do and what numbers they have given you. Then you can proceed. All right. Don't be afraid of word problems. They're easy enough if you just pay attention.